What you do, Kev? What you doing? Do you have a bridge? Look who's going through the bridge. Oh my goodness. Everybody's going through the bridge. Oh, Choo-Choo! Cute. Very good. Oh, how now, brown cow lost his head. Oh no. There we go. Put his head back on. There you go. Super cute. It's great. Yeah. That's great. So you've got Thomas. Hello, Thomas. And little sheep. And the elephant. How now, brown cow. And the pig. Yeah, and then I think the chicken. Is it a chicken or a rooster?
Chicken rooster.
Yeah, chicken and rooster just needs to be reassembled.
Chicken back. Chicken back.
Yeah, chicken bak bak. What does a rooster say?
Rooster say.
What does the rooster say? Yeah. And what does a chicken say?
Back.
That's right. Bok, 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 bok. Oh, oh, oh. Who did Mommy find?
Find chicken.
Mommy find the chicken. Yeah.
Back.
There we go. Put chicken on the train. Very good. Wow. And we have the seat. Somebody up gonna sit really high. Maybe Pooh Bear or somebody else. Let's see. Do we have anybody right over here? Maybe I need to go get them from the other table, huh? Here you go. That is just an amazing little bridge. Is that a bridge? Did you make a bridge? Oh, that looks great. That looks great. I love it. Is that a fence? A gate or a fence? What did Lucy do with the fence? Did she go under the fence? Was Lucy in trouble? Was Lucy in timeout for sneaking under the fence? You know, you might be able to put the fence in front if you wanted to. How about in front? Like that. Is that a good place to put the fence? Yeah. Did you want another bite of your toast with peanut butter? Here. Num num. Here. Thank you. Oh, delicious, huh? Oh, and here's the pig's face. Here's the pig's face. Everybody needs their face on. Oops, it's just right there. I'll get it for you. Here you go. There you go. Very good. I just love that. Little. Oh, Mama, pick that up.
Nana Pop-Pops.
Nana Pop-Pops? Where?
Nana Pop-Pops.
Oh, tell me about Nana Pop-Pops. Is this their, the picture in their package? Here, let me get the picture for you. I didn't realize it fell down.
Back up.
Here, we'll have to put it back up on the wall, huh? Should I go get a frame? I have a frame. We'll put it in a frame. Don't we just love Nana and Pop-Pops? That's such a great photo, isn't it? Yeah. I love the little ornament in your Nana's hair, huh? Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. I'll check Skype to see if they're on today, okay?
Nana Pop-Pops.
Yeah. Do you want to Skype with Nana and Pop-Pops today and say hello?
Hello.
Hello. Oh, well, here. Let's be gentle with the photo. Yeah. Aw. Okay.